Bullish Solana Sol cost expectations range somewhere in the range of $494.14 and $933.38 by 2030. Market examiners accept Sol could reach $384.33 by 2025. Negative Solana market cost expectation for 2023 is $87.85. Solana Sol presentation. Anatoly Yakovenko designed the Solana Sol stage back in 2017. He was a Qualcomm representative prior to beginning Solana. Yakovenko. Because of his earlier work as a computer programmer at Dropbox, he has an expansive range of information on pressure techniques. Along with Eric Williams and Greg Fitzgerald, CTO of Solana, he fostered an original strategy for settling well-established throughput issues in the blockchains of Bitcoin and Ethereum. They expected to make a conveyed, trustless convention that can bring about expanded versatility. The main group is at present upheld by global companies, including Intel, Apple, Qualcomm, Twitter, Dropbox, Google, Microsoft, and others. Also, numerous financial backers, including Multicoin Capital, Conceptual Endeavors, Establishment Capital, CMCC Worldwide, Slow Capital, and others, have now paid heed to Solana's impact. Assuming you are keen on putting resources into Solana, here is an aid that could be useful to you out. What is Solana? The non-fungible tokens NFTs and various decentralized applications are upheld by general society, open-source blockchain Lana dApps. Likewise, the Sol token, local to Solana's blockchain, fills in as a system of abundance move and organization security through marking. With current Solana board part and boss tasks official Raj Gokul, Anatoly Yakovenko established Solana in 2017. Yakovenko, the ongoing president of Solana Lab, has insight in framework engineering and looked to apply his mastery and abilities to an entirely different blockchain worldview that permitted faster handling. Solana is right now worth $109.81 est. Sol has moved 383% as of now with an exchanging volume of $1,818.17,595. Solana is as of now positioned 5 among all cryptographic forms of money with a market capitalization of $48,382,776,760 USD. Using the general strength record RSI, moving weighted normal MWA, Williams fractal, and moving normal combination disparity MACD from the graph above, we can decide cost designs for Solana Sol to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Our cost expectation conjectures utilize continuous Solana Sol market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost expectations in view of current market action. Solana Sol Value Expectation 2023. Solana, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astounding cryptographic forms of money to rise this year's Sol. The Sol cost estimate for 2023 expects a huge expansion in the year's last part, potentially coming to $168.51. Likewise, with other digital currencies, the ascent will be steady, however no extensive drops are normal. Averaging $157.28 in cost is very aggressive, yet it is plausible soon given expected joint efforts and headways. Sol is supposed to have a base worth of $134.81. Solana Sol Value Expectation 2024. In 2024, Solana Sol cost expectation has a lot of space for extension. Because of the expected declarations of various new organizations and drives, we guess that the cost of Sol will before long outperform $280.85. Notwithstanding, we ought to hold back to check whether the Sol's overall strength record emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market instability, Sol will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $224.68 and a typical exchanging cost of $247.15. Solana Sol Value Forecast 2025. In the event that the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach $393.19 and Sol might benefit. In the event that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. Sol is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $359.49 and a low of $337.02 in 2025. Solana Sol Value Forecast 2026. In the event that Solana effectively supports market opinion among digital money fans, the Sol coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, Sol will be green in 2026. The Sol is supposed to reach and outperform its record-breaking high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual money will be valued at $505.53, with a base cost of $449.36 and a typical cost of $471.83. Solana Sol Value Expectation 2027. After some broad determining and specialized investigation, we gauge the SOL cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $584.17 by 2027, with a base cost of $561.70 anticipated before the year's end. Moreover, SOL has a most extreme value worth of $617.87. Solana SOL value expectation 2028. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2028, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $696.51. In the event that SOL figures out how to break the safe level in 2028, we could see a greatest cost of $731.81. Neglecting to assemble the help SOL needs by 2028 could bring about a low of $674.04. Solana SOL value expectation 2029. While SOL is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to Rush Association, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed, so the base exchange cost has been set at $786.38 and a yearly cost close above $842.55 in 2029. Solana SOL value expectation 2030. By 2030, Solana will at last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost levels. The base cost could be $898.72 and possibly arrive at a most extreme value worth of $954.89, averaging out at $9.2119. End. Solana settle a large number of the normal worries raised by earlier blockchain innovation. Likewise, Solana grandstands another exchange check structure and a more proficient agreement process. Beyond a shadow of a doubt, the stage will rival Ethereum and Bitcoin. Solana has shown fast advancement in the crypto business in only a decade. The discussion will without a doubt be something to watch out for as it develops. What is the Solana SOL cost today? Today, Solana SOL is exchanging at $112.34 with a complete market capitalization of $48,382,776,760. Is Solana a wise speculation? Solana ended up being one of the most discussed coins in the crypto space this previous year. Considering this, it is insightful to say that SOL is a decent decision of venture. How high could Solana at any point go? The typical cost of Solana SOL might perhaps reach $157.28 this year. Over the course of the following 5 years, it is projected that Solana might outperform $730.21. What amount will Solana be worth in 5 years? In view of the rising fame of digital money in Solana, a drawn-out interest in SOL could see the value ascend to $730.21 inside the following 5 years. What amount will Solana be worth in 10 years? On the off chance that you put resources into Solana today, similarly as with any speculation, a drawn-out increment is normal. The cost of SOL might actually ascend to $1,426.72 inside the following 10 years. What will the Solana cost be in 2024? Solana SOL cost is supposed to reach $280.85 by 2024.